Miss, I did this drawing of you.
Oh my gosh! Just did this.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
I wish you could see that I'm smiling. It makes me so happy to see this.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. Thank you so much. I'm glad you're happy.
Wait for his reaction.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I drew you. Yeah, what's your name? Yeah, what's your name, man? What's your name?
My name's Zach.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Zooby zooby zoo.
Wait for her reaction.
Excuse me, miss. I drew you. I love your jacket.
Yo, thank you.
Yo, you're welcome.
This is fire.
Yo.
Yo, this is so lit.
Thank
What?
That special lover, and love keeps you tied to another. That's the way it goes on love's train. Sometimes heartstrings can't be broken.
Excuse me, miss. Miss, I did this painting of you. Yeah, you can take it home. It's a gift. Happy Friday. You're welcome. Yeah, just take it home. It's a gift. It's just a random act of kindness.
Wait for his reaction.
Excuse me, sir.
He looks a little bit like the HC.
Whoa, you did this?
Yeah. I love the hair.
Wait for his reaction.
Excuse me, Secretary Pete. I drew you. I love everything you're doing with the subway, man. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I thought this was Bellaporte, so I drew her. Wait for her reaction.
Hey, I did this drawing of you. Can I post it on TikTok? Can I post it on TikTok?
Oh, I don't have a TikTok.
Oh, okay.
That's so nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.